xy is xyab plus xyad. That is just your point AB to point AD. So kunin natin separately on our usual formula. That is tangent of the shear strain angle xy at AB O equal to the elongation of AB over AB. That is your original length. No? So para makuha natin yung shear strain angle sa AB, that is just arc tangent of 2 mm, which is this one, and then over the length of 300 mm. So makukuha natin dito yung 6.6666 times 10 to the negative 3 radian. Pag walang radian, may minus sa point. Kung 5 points ito, tapos ang solution 2 points lang ang makukuha mo. Consequently, so solve natin yung sa AD, that is just elongation at AB over the length AD. Arc tangent of 3 mm over the 400 mm. Cancel ang unit. Output is 7.4999 times 10 to the negative 3 radian. Kung scientific notation ng sagot, walang problema. Kung decimal, kailangan ang sagot dito sa AB, 0.006667. Tapos dito naman, 0.0007499 or 0.00075. That would do. Walang problema. Basta may radian unit. Of course, before you put it sa ating general formula, you have to know what are the sign conventions between these two. Since ang ating problem ay along or ang deformed object natin is along quadrant 1, so both shear strain angles are positive. So just have to combine the two and you would have an output of 0.014170. Then you are required to convert it into 2 decimal places into microradian unit. Nabanggit ko naman ito. Kung may 2 decimal or whole number, walang problema. So in whole number, you will get 14170 microradian. But in 2 decimal, I think this is 1416.66 point something. Okay lang naman yon, walang problema. Apparently, this is for number 1. Any questions? Clarifications for number 1? Patdu?
Sir, tanong ko lang po sir kung ano sir, 0.0142 po yung nagawa sir.
Mali.
Sige po.
Kasi radian lang yon dahil lang hinahanap natin ay microradian.
14,200 po. Bale.
14,200? Hindi na pwede yan. Masyadong malaki. It should be 14170 lang. Hanggang doon lang. Di pwedeng mag-round off ka dun sa third whole number digit from right, no? Masyadong malaki yun. Lalo naman kapag nagda 2 decimal lang tayo, 2 decimal pwedeng 0.66. Kapag whole number naman, kailangan yung pinakahuli lang yung ko-consider, no? Hindi mo kailangang i-substitute into rounding up sa pinakamalaking value kasi alam naman natin ang shear strain angles are very small, no? Tapos nilagyan mo pa ng 14,200, no? Hindi pwede yan. Masyadong malaki. Do we have any more clarifications sa 1? May tanong sa 1. Guys, nakikita niyo pa ba yung presentation ko? Visible pa ba sa inyo yung word?
Hindi po.
Visible naman. Unshare ko nga, but sa isang account ko hindi na siya visible. So unshare lang natin, tapos balik natin. So pwede na kayong mag-screenshot dyan ha, hindi ko ibibigay ito sa GC. Sulat nyo na lang sa mga notebooks ninyo or sa mga test papers kung gusto nyo. Saan na yung aking presentation? Ba't ayaw? Available. Okay. Ayan. Okay. Okay, so that's it for number 1. So number 2 tayo. Ito naman yung number 2. So sabi dito sa problem, an initial rectangular element of a material is deformed into the shape shown in the figure below. Ito yan. You have to find the shear strain or the shear strain at X, shear strain at Y, and the shear strain angle of X and Y. For the element, final answers in mm or over mm unit, in 3 decimal places or in scientific notation. And for the shear strain angle at X and Y, you have to write it into 5 whole number digit. Pwede naman, kung meron kayong 2 decimal places, ay allowed it naman. So for the shear strain at X, that is just elongation at X over Lx. So pa hindi natin makukuha yung mismong elongation, you just have to use the change in length. No, in getting the change in length, of course, that is the original length minus the new length minus the original length over the length. Okay, yung length na yon, yun yung length na given dyan, which is this. No? Tapos itong 0.15, this is your other side of this rectangle. Tapos ito naman yung iyong new length sa X. From 0.2, you have a new length of 0.1992. No? Tapos madedetermine mo doon that your strain at X is negative 0.004 mm over mm. Ibig sabihin, nag-decreased in length, kaya negative ang sign. In getting the shear strain at Y, so alam natin ang assumption would be positive kasi from 0.15, it elongates at 0.1515. No? So that is just your new length minus the original length over the original length. That is 0.1515 minus 0.15 over 0.15. The answer is positive 0.01. Increases in length, positive ang magiging sagot. Kapag nagkabaliktad yan, mali for X and Y. It's always the relation of the new length minus the original when you are getting the change in length. Parang ano lang yan, change in temperature, T2 minus T1, no? To get the change in temperature, or the T new over or minus the initial T. Parang ganun lang yan, yung relation ng change in length. So hinabaan ko lang ito guys, pero pwede nyo naman gawin ito if you want na mas madali, no? Itong sa right side na to, pag-a-add nyo lang yung mga angles, so be sure kailangan yung ating relation ay nandyan pa rin, including sign conventions. So in obvious observation, yung 15.7 degrees Celsius is along quadrant 1, positive, at ang yung 16.6 degrees ay along quadrant 2. So, ibig sabihin, that is just negative sign. Ayan, no? Sabi ko nga, shear strain angle at X is along quadrant 1, kaya positive. Sa Y naman, negative along quadrant 2. So, isi-solve ko siya in lengthened format, mas mahaba, no? Kung ano yung binigay natin during that time in terms of radians. So, 15.7 is the shear strain angle at X. That is pi over 180 times 15.7. That is in radian. Bibigyan ka ng radian na sagot siya. Ibig sabihin, ang shear strain angle at X mo is 0.274017 radian. Hindi ko i-allow kapag walang radian ang sagot. Sa 16.6 naman, it's 0.289725 radian. So, pagsasamahin mo lang yan, of course, you have to consider yung sign. So, since ang Y ay nasa quadrant 2, negative, kaya meron tayong minus sign dito. Okay? That is just 0.274017 minus 0.289725 radian. Makukuha mo is negative 0.015708 radian. So in microradian, you just have to divide it into times 10 to the negative 6 radian. Makukuha mo is negative 15708 microradian. Hindi pwede na maging positive ang sagot kasi kapag positive, nagkabaliktad tong dalawang ito, or possible, pinag-add mo lang sila, or you did a different formula relation, no? Sabi nga dito, shear strain angle increases since shear strain angle has a negative value. Okay, that is for number 2. Mahirap ba, number 2? Yun na yung number 2. Okay. So, any questions sa number 2? Bago ako mag-cruise sa number 3. So, that is the answer. You can screenshot if you want, but if you are still confused, you may now ask questions now. Salunga, Christian.
Sir, required po ba na naka-emerald po yung yung
Yes.
yung pinaka-last po?
Told you
Yung
during the
X,
discussion kapag hindi nakalagay sa problem kung microradian or radian ang gagamitin, automatically you will use microradian. Unless I specify na kailangan ang final answer sa shear strain angle at x and y is in radian, you will not have to substitute it into microradian. And I also emphasize this during your quiz. No, hindi ko nga lang sinabi. Sabi ko nga sa inyo. Kapag hindi ko binigay kung microradian or radian, anong gagamitin? May mga sumagot na tama. Ibig sabihin, nabanggit at alam. Dapat, no? Okay, any more queries sa number 2? Yan lang naman ang solution sa number 2. At mas madali kapag number 3. Ang mahirap lang sa number 3, nakakalito yung arrows. Screenshot 1, 2, 3. Okay, number 3. So this will be the solution for number 3. The polyethylene sheet is subjected to the biaxial loading below. Biaxial loading at X and Y. Determine the resulting elongations of the sides AB and AC. The properties of polyethylene are E, 300 KSI, and the Poisson's ratio is 0.40. Drag down given. So, si Sir nalito dito nung una, napansin ni James, no? The arrows are going up, ibig sabihin ng 1.2I. Y-axis, going left, ang ating 2 KSI, ibig sabihin, ang stress sa X ay 2 KSI. These KSIs are your already stresses, no? Hindi mo na kailangang i-substitute into in terms of P, no? Binigay na ang stress, yun na yung gamitin mo para dito sa biaxial formula. E given naman, 300 at V or Poisson's ratio nu is 0.4. Ang formula natin to get the required elongations using our main formula, which is strain at X, elongation at AB over LAB. Kung susundin ng ating axis convention, ang X is along AB at ang AC along Y-axis. So that is just strain at X, elongation at AB over LAB. And for Y naman, elongation at AC over LAC. So for the shear strains, makukuha natin yan using our values regarding stresses and E. No? That is just 1 over X, 1 over E, Sx minus nu Sy, 1 over 300 KSI, multiplied by 2 minus 0.4 of 1.2. Makakancel ang KSI, makukuha mo dito is 5.0667 times 10 to the negative 3. Walang unit. So, ibig sabihin, strain. Sa strain at Y naman, 1 over E, Sy minus nu Sx, 1 over 300 KSI, multiplied by 1.2 minus 0.4 times 2. Cancel ang KSI ulit. The answer is 1.3333 times 10 to the negative 3. No? Tapos, meron ka ng strain, meron ka pa ang original length, you will now get the elongation at AB. That is just shear strain at X, original length at AB, equal to 5.0667 times 10 to the negative 3, multiplied by 6, multiplied by 12. Kasi ang gusto natin kapag elongation in basic unit, which is inches. Makukuha mo sa elongation at AB is 0.36 inches. Subsequently, pwede mo nang kunin ang elongation at AC using strain at Y, length at AC. That is just 1.3333 times 10 to the negative 3 multiplied by 4 feet. Saan galing ang 4 feet, sir? Ito yan, guys, no? Y-axis. Times 12. Inches pa rin ang magiging unit. The final answer would be 0.06 inches. That is for number 3. Nakabigay naman dyan, ayan, no? Resulting elongations at AB and AC. Ibig sabihin, ang gagamitin mong relation sa AB at sa AC. Okay? Yung binigay, DB at DC, pwede naman siyang isolve ng ganun, walang problema. Pero dito, naka-emphasize AB and AC. At point AB at point AC. So, that is for number 3. Any questions? Mon?
Sir, pwede daw po bang pa-record yung meeting po natin ngayon?
Sa ano, no?
Pwede daw po bang pa-record yung meeting?
Pa-record
Opo,
ngayon.
I mean, opo. Si James daw po.
Wag na muna.
Huwag na. Sige po. Sige po, sir.
Okay, nakapag-screenshot na ba sa number 3? Already? Pag-aralan ninyo, ha? Baka lumitaw sa comprehensive exam. Okay. So, hindi nyo kailangang i-record dahil hindi ako mag-introduce ng bagong topic ngayon. Ibibigay ko siya on Wednesday. Okay? Face-to-face on Wednesday. Didiscuss natin doon ang inyong lecture 7. Okay? So, that's all muna for today. Yung discussion ng quiz 2. Grabe. Napaka-prepared pa naman ako dito, sir. Nasa bahay ako tapos tinutok ko na lahat. Yung electric fan, yung cycle, yung calcu ko, yung ballpen ko. Tsaka meron akong notebook, sir. Kasi nagsosolve ako, sir. Hindi nyo na magad sinabi. Surprise!
Thank you po, sir.
Okay?
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Yay.
Solve natin sa face-to-face dahil
Ilang ako stress, sir.
nagbabago yung scores nyo kapag online. Ano ba yan? No?
I love you,
Lang
sir.
Okay, yun lang muna. Sige, face on the cam. Pakibuklat ang inyong mga video. May mga nagpuyat naman dito, sabi ni James kanina, sir, nagpuyat pa man din ako kagabi, nag-solve ako ng torsion, tapos wala pala ngayon, nakaka-depress. Sa Wednesday, ipakita mo kung sino ka sa Wednesday, James. No? So, face on the cam, I will count in